Welcome back RK Learning Cat friends. Friends, we are learning CATIA V5, and in this CATIA V5 we will learn shape design, and in this shape design we learn sweep command. Okay, so sweep command first part I have made and uploaded video. If you have no see, first you channel visit and first you go see first part. Now today we discuss second part of sweep. So let's start video. So here we have CATIA and here I have sweep command. So this first option I have already explained in first part. So today is sweep second part. So today we discuss line. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 parts. Okay, so today we discuss these 7 options. So let's start video. Okay, so let's start. So select option first. Here you see two limits, means you have two lines, two curves you need. Okay, so I select this datum plane. I made here one line here. Okay, then just finish. If you want to make other planes curve, so you can select this plane and you made here one curve. Okay, so you need to just two curves. So I select here you can make curve also, no problem. So I selected just line, two line I made. See, I can make same plane, no problem, but I have made different plane just for seeing. So I select here sweep. Okay, now here we have second option and here you have two limits. So this is the first limit and this is the second limit, and you check preview what happened. So friends, you have seen this between two curves surface created, and also here have length 1 and length 2. So if you want to increase this side length, so you can increase. Okay, and this side also you want to increase, so this side also you can increase. After that you check preview. So this is the first option, two limit. Okay, now we have to proceed second option. Second option what have limit and middle. Okay, so here only we need a limit and middle, so this option I delete. See, we have two guide curves, this is and this is. I select this one, I select here limit and middle. So first limit this one have, okay, and guide curves this is the middle. So this is limit, this is middle. So whatever distance here have same like opposite direction surface created. Okay, just like mirror entities. Understand? So this is the second option, limit and the middle. Now we have to proceed third options. So here go select. See here what is the third option, with reference. Okay, guide curves, reference surface and angle. What, see, this one delete, this one also delete, this one also I delete. Okay, so I select this plane, I make here a sketch. You just select here and you make here one arc. Okay, I select here 3-point plane. This is and this is. I just finish it. Here I have teach extrude surface, use just extrude. Here you use mirror extend, and so this is too much heavy. So we go editing mode and we select dimension make. Okay, some small type maker, too much heavy have. So here dimension have, just make here. I select made here 60 radius. Okay, so here I select just zoom it and finish it. You use here extrude and we make extrude surface. So you made both sides. Okay, so easily we can understand these options. Okay, so I select here third options with reference surface. So this is the guide curve and reference surface my this one. Okay, now here angle have 0, you put here 20 degree and just see result one time. What happened, friends? So this type result coming. Okay, now you can increase angle. You put here 60 degree. So see 60 degree. Okay, you use here 50 degree. So use here 50 degree. Now here see angular sector previous 4 option hai. Next preview check, this side coming. Next preview check, this side coming. See here both side also have. Okay, next preview coming. 4 possibility have. Okay, now you see length 1, length 2. So this side length how much increase? Okay, see here this side how much length increase and this side how much increase downside. So this one side if no need, so we can decrease, and this side needs, so we can increase. Review check. So okay friends, so this is the with reference surface. Okay, so this one delete. Suppose if you select sweep command and you use here guide curves and surface use this one, what possibility hai? So this side surface coming. Okay, so this way also we can use. And here I have next. Okay, so this is second possibility, and next this is third possibility, next this is the fourth possibility. So we can here rotate. Okay friends, so this is the third option with reference surface. Now we need to proceed fourth options. So I delete this whole surface. Select here sweep. We will see next option what have with reference curve. Okay, with reference curve. So here you need 2 curves. So I select this datum plane. I made here one curve. Suppose I create here one curve and just finish it. Okay, and also I select this plane. I can make this plane also, we can make here also, no problem. So I select this plane, just need 2 curves. So I select here and make a second curve and just finish it. See, we have 2 curves. Now I select sweep command. Here I have a fourth option with reference curve. So this is the guide curve, this is the second guide curve, and preview check. So this is the surface coming. Okay, first guide curve surface created, and what is the angle positions you can decrease here, change here. Okay, so here you can change angle. Preview check. Now this is the reference curve. So this side how much length, this side how much length, we can change here. Okay, okay friends, so this is the with reference curve options. Now we need to discuss next options. So select, select, select and delete. So I select here sweep, and here we see fifth option have with tangency surface. Okay, with tangency surface. So friends, here you need 1 curves and 1 surface. So I select this plane. I make here 1 curve, 3 point arc I just made, no problem. Okay, cancel. You select a 3 point arc, so this one and this one. Okay, and here we use extrude surface. So this is finished. Okay, so I need datum plane, so select this plane and make here datum plane and go to here upside and just made it. Okay, so I select this plane and make here one line. Okay, just finish it. See, select sweep command, and here we have fifth option with tangency surface. So guide curve, this one have tangency surface, this one have. Review check. So this type surface created here to this tangency position. So two possibility have, this side can create, so this side, and next this side can create this side. Okay, just preview and okay. So this is the first option. Okay, with tangency surface. Now we need to proceed next options. Delete these options, select a sweep again, and here you see last option, the sixth option है with draft direction. So suppose this one have, okay, I select sweep with draft direction. So guide curve this one have, and draft direction I select this plane, okay, and preview check. Understand? So this is curve, this is draft direction. Now here we have angle, so we can angle choose. We can decrease this angle. Okay, so this way we can make. After that, here possibility have next, this type possibility, next, this type possibility, next, this type possibility. Okay, so here have length 1. So this side how much increase, and this is length 2, this side how much increase. We can decrease also. We will proceed next options. Delete and close it. Select here what is the next option have with two tangency surface. Okay, so here we need with two tangency surface. So this is the datum plane. Go to here, edit this sketch. This one you keep here, okay, and give dimension, not this one, this one, and I made here 25 radius. Okay, this one drag here, and I finish it. I use extrude, so those side I make here, and again same datum plane selected. Again I made here one curve. So this is the, and this is the, and this is the, and finish it. Again I use extrude surface. Okay, so we have two surface. One more thing, again we have to create one spine. So you select datum plane made, this one select datum plane, and this one plane selected. So here you draw one line, okay, as a spine. So this one plane selected, and make here one sketch. Come click here, and I made here one line. Okay, so this is finished. Three things. We have three things: two surface and one curve. So I select here sweep. And we go select last option with two tangency surface. So this is the spine, this is the first tangency surface, this is the second tangency surface, and just click preview. So this type result coming, friends. Okay, click OK. Okay, right click, go to here definition. Here have trim, so this option no working. So first you delete this option, again select option, or that option understanding. Sweep, this is spine, first tangency, second tangency. If you want to this side surface delete, so trim, just check and preview and OK, and message close. So this type result you can take. Okay, so friends, I have explained all options, second part in sweep. So I have understand, you have understand all options. If you have no understand, so please one more time video see and practice. So if you have not subscribed RK Learning Cat, so please subscribe RK Learning Cat, because I have started teach different design softwares like mechanical, civil and graphic design softwares. So slowly I uploaded all video. So if you subscribe, so you get notification, you can learn any software whatever you need. Okay friends, so we will make next video and I explain third part of Swift. Okay, so have a nice day.